Have you ever wondered if those sleek, digital-only banks are as reliable as traditional brick-and-mortar institutions? Today, we're diving into one of the most popular ones, Koho Bank. Is it a legitimate financial partner, or is it just a shiny new toy? Let's find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what Koho Bank is all about. It's a fintech company that offers a prepaid debit card and a mobile app. Unlike traditional banks, Koho doesn't have physical branches. This means you can manage your money entirely online or through their app. But is this convenience worth the risk? Is Koho Bank a safe place for your hard-earned cash? Let's explore some key factors that will help us determine its legitimacy. Regulatory compliance. One of the most important things to look for in any financial institution is regulatory compliance. This means that the bank is following the rules set by the government. Koho Bank is regulated by the Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Centre of Canada, FINTRAC. This means it's subject to strict regulations and oversight. Security measures. Security is another crucial aspect to consider. Koho Bank uses advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. They employ encryption technology to safeguard your data and have robust fraud prevention systems in place. Fees and charges. It's important to understand the fees associated with using Koho Bank. While they offer a free tier with no monthly fees, there are charges for certain services like international transactions and ATM withdrawals outside their network. It's essential to carefully review their fee schedule to ensure it aligns with your financial needs. Customer support. When things go wrong, how responsive is Koho Bank's customer support? Based on customer reviews, it appears that they have a dedicated and helpful support team. Many customers report positive experiences with resolving issues and getting timely assistance. So, is Koho Bank legit? Based on our analysis, it appears to be a legitimate financial institution. It's regulated, has strong security measures, and generally has positive customer reviews. However, as with any financial decision, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your specific needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with Koho Bank, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and reviews. Until next time.